Hey, what's up guys? Back again with another video. I decided I want to do something a little different this year. I'm going to do this every year I think, but I'm going to explain what I want to accomplish for this year and also tell you a little bit about me because I haven't really made a channel video before telling you about me or the channel or anything like that. So yeah, so first things first, my name is Cody Simpson and I'm 19 years old. I'm currently a sophomore in college, majoring in computer science, as you might guess. And I spend a lot of my time outside of school learning new things and programming, teaching myself new things all the time, every week, every day, so that I can teach you guys and further my own self. And besides that, I'm pretty boring. I'm 6 feet tall, super muscular, insanely wealthy, and sexy. I started programming when I was about, I think 14, back in 8th grade or whatever. And I started, making some basic websites with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making some really, really basic stuff. And then from there, I decided that I wanted to make that my career choice really, really early. I decided that. And so from there, I didn't really focus as much as I'm focused right now. I still played a lot of games all day, and then I didn't really do much programming. So from there, I did some more web development. I learned Node.js, Express.js, those frameworks and those technologies, so you can make some really cool dynamic applications. So that's why my early series are HTML, JavaScript, and Node.js videos. So you can still find those if you look very closely. And yeah, after that, back in when I was in high school, when I was like I think a sophomore, I started learning Java, teaching myself Java with a Java book. And I'll put it on the screen right now. This is a Java book that I highly recommend. I'll put a link for it in the description below. If you want to learn Java, if you want to learn how to program, I really, really, really recommend getting this book and reading it. It's really detailed. There's a lot of crappy books out there, really bad resources. So this is why I recommend this book specifically, because it's really good detail, in my opinion, and it'll help you learn. And yeah, so that's what my Java series is based on, by the way. I use that book to base my Java series on, which I'm slowly redoing slowly. And yeah, so I learned Java, and then I expanded to other stuff like my Spigot series, Minecraft plugin development, C++. I learned C++ when I got into college. And from there, I'm just doing all kinds of crazy stuff, teaching myself new stuff all the time for my work. I just learned PHP like in 1 week basically, so I can do some PHP stuff for my work. And JavaFX, servlets, and JSP, Spring. Oh yeah, Spring is a big thing I learned over the summer. So you can make really complex web applications and microservices and stuff like that. And so the point is that I'm constantly learning, and if you're going to be a programmer, then you also want to constantly learn new things all the time if you're really passionate about it. In the past 2 or 3 years, the channel has gained a lot of new subscribers and has grown considerably. In 2020 alone, the channel got 1.4 million views, 58.4 thousand hours of watch time, 7,000 subscribers, and $1.7 trillion in monetization revenue. My most popular series at the moment is the Spigot series, the Minecraft plugin series, but some of my other series are popping nowadays, like the JavaFX, C++, and servlets and JSP series. And most importantly, though, this year we hit 10,000 subscribers, which is quite a significant goal if you ask me. That's a good, really, really good milestone to reach. And so I really hope to hit 20,000 by the end of this year. I think that's a really good goal to set for myself. So let's hope that we can hit 20,000, and then eventually we'll get to 1 million. And yeah, so now let's talk about where I want to take the channel in 2021. I have some sort of psychological disease where I start a bunch of series but I don't finish them, and that's something I try to not do, but it's really tempting to start a new series. Like right now I'm thinking about making a Git series, for Git repositories and, teaching you how to use Git and all that. Something I'm thinking about, but so I want to say for sure that I'm going to finish the Java servlets and JSP series this year as a goal I'm setting for myself, so I'm going to finish that series. And for my work, I've been doing a lot with web development again, developing Spring web applications and microservices. So I'm likely going to start making videos in that department once I finish the servlets series, because that is the technology that is really popular in the Java community and industry nowadays, and it uses the servlet technology behind the scenes. So yeah, I stepped away from the C++ series temporarily and got caught up with some other stuff, but I do plan on making videos in the C++ series and hopefully finishing it. And so I apologize to those who have been waiting for me to make new videos in that series for a while now. Sorry about that, but I will get back to it, I promise. That's a series I do plan on finishing because C++ is a very important language to finish or to know, and so making these videos is a milestone I set for myself as well. So I hope to finish it, and I will finish it. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos on JavaScript or React.js, I can do those as well. I did release a React.js video recently on how to make a to-do list application. So if you want to see more similar stuff, then let me know, because I've been using a lot of React.js recently as well. So I can make some cool applications for you guys if you're interested in that. Later in this year, I started streaming. It's been a great experience so far, so I can get in touch with you guys in a better way. Instead of just using my videos to communicate with you guys in my Discord server. So I was streaming on Twitch and YouTube when I first started, and then I switched to Twitch exclusively and became an affiliate there. But now I'm coming back to YouTube because I get way more views, and I just have a really big community on YouTube right now, so it makes more sense to stream there instead of Twitch, where I get only like 3 views. So yeah, I'm going to be streaming on Twitch exclusively now. I mean YouTube exclusively now, so be sure to check me out. If you see that I'm streaming, come join, hang out with me. Just come join, check it out. And I started this channel with the hope of providing highly detailed tutorials to people who want to learn to program, and thus far it's going pretty dang well. I personally find that a lot of video tutorials and articles on the interwebs are really crappy and poorly detailed, so that's why I make these videos, to hopefully provide detailed videos that help you actually learn, instead of just giving you videos that are meant just for views alone. I actually want to help you guys and help myself. Like I said kind of before, I use these videos as like a milestone for myself. It's like a sense of achievement for myself. It's kind of weird, but that's why I focus a lot more on learning new stuff to teach you guys rather than for myself. So anyway, there's a Discord community alongside this channel if you're interested in joining, and there will be a link in the description for that if you want to join. And in that community, you can ask for help with your programming stuff, get some friends if you don't have any, or just hang out. It's a nice, community for programmers that you can join. If you would like to do more to support this channel, you can click the join button below this video to become a channel member. So what it means to become a channel member is that you get some cool perks, like a little icon whenever you comment on my videos or join my streams. But there's a few tiers of the membership. There's a 99-cent tier, there's a $5 tier, and there's like I believe a $10 tier. And you can choose whatever tier you want to choose. But no matter what, you're going to get some cool perks like early access to all of my new videos, a rank on my Discord server, and also you get to see your name at the end of each of my videos. So yeah, that's one way to support this channel. Right now I'm balancing a lot of stuff, so any monetary support that you can provide is greatly appreciated, just so that I can spend more time in researching and making videos for you guys to pay rent and all that stuff, okay? Anyways, that's about it. I really can't say enough, how much I thank you guys for all the support over these past 2 or 3 years. It's a new year, so go ahead and make it yours by being as productive as possible and furthering the improvements of your knowledge. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Leave a like if you want to see more. Leave some suggestions in the channels for what you want to see, and subscribe.